Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show you guys why this Rubik's Cube is named Rubik's Cribs. So guys, I'm gonna tell you why this Rubik's Cube is named Rubik's Slide. Do you know why? These are the reasons. So guys, step number 1. I meant the first reason is that it can slide. It looks like a sliding puzzle. Step 2. Is that it can't turn at all. So that means it can slide. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you the last reason. So guys, make sure you like and subscribe because guys, we didn't earn a subscriber in like 3 days. Or in a few days. So guys, make sure you guys use subscribers that way we can get to 800 subscribers in June. We'll probably even faster. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you the final reason. So this Rubik's Cube never breaks or never can take off. Compared to the sliding puzzle, it never breaks or snaps. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my today's video, and I'll see you next video. So thanks for watching. Bye.